Here I'm at, and here I am for the deck profile. It's my Gagaga Neos Engine Quasar deck. It's sort of a fun deck, so bear with me. Monsters, 1 BLS. It's still BLS. And this is the engine for the Neospatian engine. Is Glowmoss ×2. And hold on. 2 Neospatian Dark Panther. And 1 Neospatian Grandma. That's the engine for the Neospatian engine. I have 2 Cognition Knights, because I have a lot of level 3s, the Spacians included, and the Gagaga girl, so that's why it's in there. And I forgot something in the other Neospatian engine, is the cross porter to get my stuff from my deck to my hand. 2 Gagaga Magician, great for getting my high level, high rank XYZ. 1 Gagaga girl. I just like her in the spells because she's level 3, so Cognition Knight works. Hand traps, 2 effect failures. Helps in the spells because windups and all that stuff. Alright, we have 1 Armageddon Knight. They cross border in the graveyard. We have 2 Doppelwarrior. Yeah, 2 Doppelwarrior. For makes level 1 non-tuners and all that stuff. We have 1 Debris Dragon for works with Doppel, etc. And 2 Mystic Tomato. Helps get Gagaga girl and Magician out. And we also have Unknown Synchron, good level 1 tuner, and 2 Junk Synchrons against the level 5 Synchros, etc. And that's all for the monsters. Now for the spells. 2 MST, because this deck hates 3 MST, because this deck hates back row. We also have 2 Duality, because I get to draw and all search and all that stuff. 1 Monster Reborn, stable. Neospatian Engine, key card, convert contact, ×2. 1 Dark Hole, stable. Rhoda. Foolish Burial. Get my stuff in the graveyard. 2 Creature Swap. To get my opponent's powerful monsters. And 1 Heavy Storm, stable. That's it for the spells, now for the traps. Just 2 traps. Call it Haunted, ×2. Get stuff from the graveyard, like Gagaga girl, etc. Easy stuff. Now for the extra deck. We have 1 Quasar Dragon. We have 1 Disaster. 1 Brio. 1 Shooting Star for Quasar. 1 Hyper Librarian. 1 Formula Synchron. 1 Scrap Dragon. 1 Black Rose. And 1 Junk Destroyer. That's it for the Synchros. Now for the XYZs. 1 Acid Golem. 1 Chaos 39. 1 Tyrus. 1 Leviair. 1 Leviathan Dragon. 1 Zivmains. And 1 Utopia. That's it for the deck, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.